Party up, summer, summer.
Training books and training books. Training books. Hey guys, it's me, and today we are going to show following Meowth's footprints, and it's good for Pokemon Go players. They're talking about Ethan, Devin, Carlo, and Guyana. They're trying to catch a cat, and Applegate's cat, and they're and they also love playing Pokemon Go. So they play Pokemon Go. My name is Ethan, and we start off with with book 2 because I haven't read the full book of book 1. So it's full of bound, and it's made by Alex Poland. And look at the cover. It looks amazing to me. You have to check this out later if you want to see. Look, there's even a Pokestop. It's really nice, the cover that I got. It was a new book. I got it from school, so you won't see very many post-ups from this. So it was a new book at school, and I don't know what this is, but please let me know if you know. It's like Platinum. So check that out in the comments, and we'll see you later. So please buy the book, and
Party up, summer, summer.